Welcome to Muffins Galore, where we take one batter every week and make a delicious, scrumptious muffin because we love muffins. Hi guys, how are you today? Today I'm here with another video of another wonderful muffins. You know, here on Muffin Galore, we do a different kind of muffin. We don't do just the everyday banana muffin or anything like that. We try to do something more, something a little different. So today I am making carrot banana cream cheese muffin. So let's get started. So right here, I have got my sugar that I have put in the milk, and I'm doing the wet ingredients first. So I've got some melted butter here, and the recipe will be in the description box as usual. And I've got 2 eggs here. So I am just putting all the wet ingredients together, make it nice and easy. Mixing it thoroughly here. And here I've got mashed bananas, 2 mashed bananas going in the liquid. And I've got just a small amount of pineapple. I just pureed it and add it to the liquid. So here we go. You want to mix that in thoroughly, because when you mix this thoroughly, you won't have to over mix your batter. And that's the trick. Mix the liquid as much as you want. So I will get my flour here. And in this flour, I have baking powder, baking soda, a little bit of ginger. I got some salt here also. And I'm going to put it in here and mix it in. Here we are. I like doing different kinds of muffin because, you know, it gets boring after a while. Doing the same mundane things. There's 100,000 different recipes of the same old things online. So you want something different. It just makes it exciting. So here I'm combining this, and I'm going to add my carrot. I've got some shredded carrots here that I'm just going to add and combine. This is where you don't want to overmix now. You just want to combine it nicely. And it's looking good, smelling good. All that cinnamon and nutmeg and ginger. Ooh, really good. Okay, nice. So next, what I'm going to mix is, I'm going to mix the cream cheese and a little bit of confectioner sugar, because that's going to go on top of the muffin. Okay, guys, so here I have cream cheese and confectioner sugar that I'm going to mix together, and then I'm going to put it on top of the muffin. Right in the muffin, when it's baking, it's going to just incorporate, and it's going to be delicious. I'm telling you. This is no regular, your grandma regular muffin. No way. This is a delicious muffin. And it's fun to make because it's just different. Here I've got some raisins that I dusted with flour. I'm just going to throw it in the batter and mix it in. Okay, guys, so now it's time for me to put my muffins in the muffin pan and get ready to bake. Okay, hang on. I'm going to take you over and do it now. Okay, guys, so this is how we're going to do it. We are going to get our batter into our muffin cups. And then what I do now is I get some cream cheese, just like this, and then I put it right there, right on top there, and then I get a little bit more batter and just put right over it, slightly over there, and that's it. That's how I do it, and it comes out looking, yeah, it's gonna be just fine. Just put some cream cheese here. Oh, so good. Yeah. Put some batter over that, slightly over it. You don't want to put it completely over it. You want a little bit of cream cheese to be peeking out. So you're going to put it sideways, yeah? See, the eyes eat first. So when the eyes see it looks good, then the eyes will want it to. There we go.